What's going on, guys? I just wanted to bring a quick video on how to do some ForScan changes to the Explorer ST 2023. So first things first, get your ForScan loaded up. Here's the version I'm running, 2.3.58. So you want to plug in the scanner. There's a scanner that I'm using. I labeled my switches. Kind of hard to see there, but there it is. Car is on. Just push the start stop button one time. Accessory mode. Keys are in the car. I want to come over and come down here. Press the connect button. So right there, it's going to ask you ignition key is on. HS/MS CAN switch on ELM is in the HS CAN position. So come over here, flip that over, HS. Vehicle's not moving, press OK. All right, it's already got my car loaded up. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit yes. It's gonna run through and scan everything. This vehicle may contain MS CAN modules. Does your ELM adapter have HS MS CAN switch? Yes, it does. Please set the switch to MS CAN bus position. Come back over here, switch it over to MS. Press the OK button. Wait for the rest of the stuff to read. Once that's done reading, you want to come over here, little computer chick looking icon, tap that. First thing we're going to do is the annoying double honk when you close the door and get out with your keys. That's going to be body module configuration right there. You're going to come down here. You're going to hit, where's my mouse? You're going to hit run that. It's going to tell you here, switch the MS HS CAN switch to HS. Come back over here, switch it to HS. Come back to your screen, press OK. Okay, there it goes. All right, so it's reading all the blocks. And seems like it's much easier than previous times I've done this with the F-150, where you have to go in and actually change a part of the code from a 0 to a 1 or whatever it is. So what we want to do is scroll up till we find something about honking. And let's see. All right, there it is. Let me adjust this camera. So double honk on leaving cabin. I already have it disabled, but what you want to do is yours will probably say enabled over here. You want to double click that. Then another box pops up. You choose enabled or disabled. Once you make your selection, you press the check button and it will prompt you to turn the key on and then off. Once you do that, you're all done. So let's go through and try to find out how to enable Bambi mode or enable the fog lamps with the high beam. So let me find that. Okay, after searching through the software, I think I found this using front fog with high beam. So currently it is inhibited. Let's double tap that. Change that to allowed. We're going to check that. Now we're going to come down here to right. Another box pops up. Please confirm the changes using front fog with high beam inhibited to allowed. Yes. It's writing. Now it's going to ask you please cycle the ignition off and then back on. So come over here, go off. Everything's off. Give it a couple seconds. Turn it back on. Okay, we'll click OK here. And for my own sake, I like to come back up here to the car. Click on that. Disconnect. Disconnect. Maybe we gotta be in MS mode. Huh. Alright, for some reason it didn't disconnect. What we're gonna do is start the car, foot on the brake, start button, turn the headlights on. Headlights, fog lamps on, high beams off. Back around. Turn on the high beams. Now we've got all the lights on. So that fixes that problem. All right, guys, just wanted to show the double honk feature is turned off. So we'll start the vehicle. Vehicle started up. Keys are right here. Gonna get out of the vehicle. Keys in hand. Keys still here. No double honk. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.